Hey guys. I am from Smile IT Solutions, and I am here to tell you how you can earn good money, if you are an individual, or have recurring business opportunities, if you have your own agency. You can boost your income and much more by applying to become our partner. You can become a partner with us regardless if you are a business owner, a freelancer, a sales and marketing recruit, an influencer, an entrepreneur, or working from home. Talking about the benefits of becoming our partner. There is zero investment and also it is not a fault scheme. You get recurring business opportunities and global projects. Earn big commissions and have the freedom and independence to work without any upper control. We also provide training sessions and a support system to help you earn a good income. Now let's get started on how one can become our partner. We have two types of programs for partnership: a franchisee and an IBC. A franchisee can be a digital marketing agency, service provider agency, another IT services company, BPO and call center, or some other SME, small to medium enterprise, based company. Any of these organizations can apply to become our partner and gain recurring business opportunities provided by us where you utilize your manpower on the given projects. Talking about an IBC, it stands for Individual Business Consultant. To partner with us as an IBC, you can be a sales and marketing person, a freelancer, an influencer, an entrepreneur, or working from home. An IBC is an entity that works individually or doesn't have any team under them, but is willing to work for one as an open partner for a brand along with their freedom and independence. An IBC gives consultation to organizations and individuals who have their businesses online or offline to opt for IT services and boost their businesses in the market. If they are interested in any of the services, the IBC needs to add the lead in their dashboard to share the lead with us and we take further actions. Our team gets in touch with your prospect and gives them a quotation based on their requirements. The IBC and our representatives decide for a percentage of commission that they receive on closure of the lead. If the lead turns into conversion after our conversations and meetings with the prospect, the IBC receives the pre-decided percent of commission into their bank accounts. Now let us get going on how you can apply to become a partner with us. The first step is to head to Become Our Partner page at www.smileitsolutions.com/becomepartner. You will be directed to the web page to become our partner as franchisee or IBC. Now after choosing how you wish to join us as a partner, if you choose IBC, you have to fill the IBC form with all the details and updated resume and submit. If you want to be a franchisee, you need to fill the franchisee form with all details about your company and submit. Once you are approved by an admin to start working as an IBC, you will receive a mail of approval on the given email ID with the login credentials to sign into the IBC dashboard. For a franchisee, our team will directly contact you. After signing in with the login credentials sent on your mail ID, you will enter the user dashboard. Here you can also update your profile by clicking on Update Profile. Talking about how to add your leads to the dashboard. First click on IBC in the dashboard menu. Here you can see your leads and their statuses. Then click on the Add New Lead button and add your leads to transfer details of your prospects to our team. Now you need to add the details of the prospect including first and last name, email address, phone number, their requirements and any other additional comments. As soon as the lead turns into conversion, you are given the commission percentage of the total business. This is how you can earn recurring money with your independence. So what are you waiting for? Go register yourself on the link given in the description and become our partner to earn money and bring projects to your business now. Let's get started.